Much nicer, eh?
Yeah. Different. Shows you how it can change in days. Or an hour probably. Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, chucking the girder today. See if I can get some top water action with the better visibility. So try my luck with something different. Got a needle there, hit her hard. Decent sized one, consider I got a 12 weight. Ah, I lost him. Here. What do you got? Pulling pretty hard? Not taking line, no?
The line slipped out of my hand at first though.
Right on. Let it take a line if it wants to, but keep that rod up. You got her, baby. I might have a little snapper because it's not taking line, but it might be heavy enough to be clubbable. It's a little bit better.
A really tough tail.
The same size as
Little amberjack. Yeah. Yeah, they got spikes on them, so try and grab them with your glove hand. They're not bad. Not like I'm a snapper, but excellent. Let me come in here. There's salt water on this side, I should say. No, you've been out fishing on this side, haven't you?
What's that?
Did you fish on this side of the coast? You guys went out down here here before?
Yeah, I never got nothing.
Let me see. It's got more bars on it. What is that? Oh, it's a little yellow amberjack. They're tasty, but they're a bigger size. All right, he's got some weight to him. I don't know what it is first. There you go. There we go. Got it with. All right. Get behind you here. Here up on the flat, maybe we got a bonefish. That'd be cool. I don't want to get in front of you because I don't want to get my shit in your way.
No, I still can't see.
Still got a few feet of that clear fly line there.
So I can still cut.
Yeah, but we're gonna watch sure you're not coming up. You got about a foot. Okay, that's it. Don't go anymore. Don't pull any more of it. Make sure you're not off the pasture now. Because if you still got some life to him. Don't, not done yet. Not done yet. Okay, can you see your knot there? He's still got a couple more feet. When he's ready though, he's still fighting. What do you think you got? Take a guess?
I think it's a amberjack.
A good amberjack?
But just a better one.
A yellow maybe? Oh, it is a better amberjack. You're right.
It's fighting like.
Yeah, that's a decent one. Yeah, that's we got some dinner there. We got some ceviche. Ceviche. Got an amberjack.
I heard that it's just that they fight like a bugger. Like, they're good
Okay.
fighters, man.
Babe.
Love it.
Oh yeah, each. Okay. You got it, you got it. Okay, I got your rod. Got your rod.
There, look at that.
All right.
That's dinner.
Ceviche.
We're having fish tonight, honey.
Very good. Darren's got himself an amberjack. Excellent. You can add to the other one.
Yeah.
Nice.
Sweet. Nice fish.
Here, you hold it now. I'll see if I'll go to photo mode here. Get a good. I could probably. All right. Darren's got himself a little barracuda. Excellent. All right. Let me get my foot off so I can pull that up there.
Kura kura.
All right.
Check out those teeth.
All right, T, sure.
Alrighty, we'll get them unhooked and let them go.
Look up, have a smile here. Take a still off that if we need to. Take it, hold it out a little more. Take the still. All right. Darren was out. Got himself an AJ. Oh. Ooh. I think you got another. You got a yellow. That's a yellow amberjack. Oh, they're tasty.
Yeah, I saw it look more yellow than the other one.
Yeah, they're pretty too. They got the blue bars on them. I got your glove, by the way. Yeah, oh, a little bit smaller, but yeah. Oh. Oh. A mouthful for a lumberjack. Hooked his mouth closed. Barracuda! Just hammered this thing. Went after like a this went after like a bullet. Barracuda and the gurgler, little guy.